proof that I somewhat sound like Garcello. Here we go. Yeah, this is really loud enough. This is my eighth take, so I'm gonna try and nail it. Okay, any trying my best here. Anyway, I cannot stop singing this Garcello mod. It is amazing. Love the music, really do. Come on now, man, you must be the Joker, looking like a chain smoker. Oh, wait, hold up. Did I just roast myself? Oh man. When I think this was the part when I was like, come on now, man, you must be the Joker. You're looking like the damn chain smoker. Dramatic cough at the end. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This was like my 10th take because my audio was messing up. So, just let me know. Let me know if it's just all in my head, where I actually somewhat sort of sound like. I'm not saying I completely sound like I'm like, you know, just, yeah. Just let me know. Alright, see you guys, and I'm about to commit. No, I'm going down the slide. Yeah. This is a slide. Just watch. Wait, I don't think you'll be able to watch. Wait, how is the